2016 Ford Shelby GT350R in race red, which is just gorgeous, over black interior. This car has 400, not 4,000, not 450, but 400 documented one owner miles. Car's never been tracked, never been raced, never been smoked in, never been in the rain. It's literally like stepping back in 2016 and buying a new car. There's not a chip, not a ding, nothing. Even that front chin spoiler is perfect. This car is one of 300 made, and it was the only option in 16 and 17 that you could do this, called a factory lightweight. No air conditioning, no electronics. You had a $99,965 addendum on top of the $64,000 window sticker. So the total price asking was $165, $164. Beautiful car, completely original, completely stock. This is, you've heard that expression, new in the wrapper. This is new in the wrapper. Carbon roof with the carbon wing and the carbon wheels on this race red is just gorgeous. Not a nick on the wheels, nothing down below. I bought this back in 22 from the original owner out of Southern California. He bought it brand new. He had a 3-level house, and 2 levels were dedicated to his car collection, mainly European. But he did have a fascination for Ford, and I bought this with 278 miles from him. Got the window sticker, both sets of keys, all the original memorabilia that comes with the GT350. I bought a brand new GT350 and 16. I ordered it special, but I didn't get an R. I always wanted an R, but they were asking too much money over window sticker. This car is, it is amazing. It is lighter. It does feel a little quicker. The handling's a little bit better. And like I said, you could only get this option, and it's not really an option, it's just devoid of air conditioning electronics in 16 and 17. After that, they didn't make that available, so it's only one of 300 made. Very rare car. Car still smells brand new. It pretty much is brand new. I did have these special made for the car. I've got the original mats still in the original cellophane. Of course, you can see the seats, there's not a mark on them. They're like brand new. This car's never been in the rain. It's always been indoors, even while I've had it and since the original owner had it. As you can see, the door jambs, they're flawless. It's just a brand new car. Guys, here we go in the 2016 Shelby GT350R, 400.2 miles. Still letting the car warm up. Put this in the open exhaust positions, sport mode. Get it up to a little bit more speed here. There's that little over 80 in fourth gear. Of course, these Brembo brakes are phenomenal. They just stop this car on a dime. The handling is incredible. Power is awesome. It just pulls all the way to the red line of 8,200. Track mode, it's fairly comfortable. bump in this car. This car definitely is comparable to a 911 GT3 of that same vintage. And in a lot of ways it's better. Of course, it's a little heavier, but this lightweight gives it that agility of a GT3 911. Here's the Carfax for the 2016 Shelby GT350R, showing no accidents, one owner. Also, we have both sets of keys. The original owner's manual with all the books in it. We've also, of course, we've got the window sticker. And here's the addendum to the original window sticker price of $99,995 from the dealer selling the vehicle, so $164,000 total. But we also have the original Ford Performance box that came with it when you bought it brand new. This has all the original sales brochures, everything about it. Also the crank, the DVD, everything is still there. So as you can see, we've got everything from new on this Shelby R.